Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Now we're starting off with the van build once more, and right now we're on to, well, yesterday we cut a window because it was too big, and then we cut off like 7 centimeters here and also the corner. So we're gonna try to glue it onto place today. We'll see how it goes. Right now we have the test piece hardening up with the glue, and it looks good, but we'll see. We're gonna use this epoxy glue, and it's supposed to be like quick dry and universal, as it says, like on all kinds of materials, and super poisonous, so don't eat it. So what we have is a window that is split in two, and the pieces aren't really matching up perfectly, so I'm trying to cut away until it's all leveled, I guess. This is so much better than when we started first, but it still differs, maybe, well, 2 millimeters at places, but let's just, I don't know, let's try and see where we'll end. I don't know, what's the worst thing that can happen? So everything is at its place, sort of. I mean, here it looks quite alright, and then traveling further up it gets more chaotic, unless except for the middle, which is perfectly fine. Hello. Nope. But over here or up here it's like a complete mess. I don't know if this was the best idea, like cutting the window, but it was a second-hand window, and it wasn't too expensive. I mean, it's worth a try, and now I will let you know if this will work or if it won't. So, lesson learned and information shared. Jag har ruta på min bil.
Får du bort rostfläck?
Ja, det är perfekt. Ja, just det var det jag tänkte. Nej, vi skulle, vi sa det igår.
Tänkte ingenting.
Jag tänkte ingenting.
Det var det jag tänkte.
So here we have some perfectly drawn lines. No, not really. But this is from the window, and this is where we're gonna cut. But about this, the corners, which are rounded, I think I'm just gonna try to like eyeball it. I made a few markings, so I'll just try to follow the general shape of the window and hope for the best.